Yes, Lando, talk to me. Are we changing it up this year or something similar to what we had before?
Sounds similar.
Sounds similar.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
talk to me.
just want to tape on the sides.
Okay, tape on the
Wanna
sides.
Keep probably the length and everything. I just want to take a bit more the weight off the top.
Okay, so more weight off the top. How about for the mullet-ish on the back? You want to leave that?
Yeah, I think the length of it is fine.
The length of it's fine.
Yeah.
Just bring everything from the top and then the sides with the taper.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. How about for the weight on your taper? Do you want your taper to be seen or just kind of want it over?
Just seen a bit. I think it will be fine.
Just a little bit. Just clean it up and give you a skin fade on the taper.
Excellent.
Let's go.